Hello friends. It's common to add deep fried peanuts for few dishes like Boondi, Chivda, Bhendi fry, etc. Wherever possible, we should avoid deep frying with alternative options, as tiny steps will also count for getting healthy. Here I am to share such an easy trick to get deep fried look and same crunch for peanuts without deep frying. As you see, I'm adding these non-deep fried peanuts to Boondi mixture. Looks super colorful and tastes amazing. These are my dry roasted savory poha snack Chivda. These peanuts blend so well with the mix. You can do the same with bhendi fry. Peanuts too taste super crunchy. Let's get started. Dry roasting peanuts on pan or frying with little oil leaves black marks. Either need shallow frying or deep frying, but not anymore. I'm going to air fry the peanuts in two ways. Let's see the first way. Spread 1 cup of peanuts in air fryer tray. Place the tray in air fryer middle row. Air fry at 345 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. This is including 4 minutes of preheating time by default. Shake halfway. I set the temperature less than usual so that I can pan fry with little oil to get light greasing. Now add quarter teaspoon oil in a hot pan. Add air fried peanuts. Keep roasting for 3 minutes or longer as needed. Now the peanuts are ready to serve. I'm adding these peanuts for boondi. As you see, it's hard to know these are not deep fried. Second way is to air fry at 360 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. And spray oil on peanuts halfway. You will get similar textured deep fried peanuts. This way you can easily avoid deep frying peanuts. You can as well try same tricks in oven too. Hope you like my tips and tricks. See you again with many more amazing healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.